in response to listening to our customers in the Southeast region. We learned from them that they wanted faster response time, and we knew that there was a need to open up another location.
When a customer calls us, they're concerned about costs. Our travel times now are less. Our shipping of our tools are now less. We don't have to have as many overnight stays to service a wider range of customers. Now, with this particular location being centralized, we can load and go within an hour and generally be on location within 2 to 3 hours.
It was really important that when we created the Peiffer South location, that it became an extension of our Peiffer family rather than just a separate entity. So we strategically placed people within our organization in PA and transitioned them to North Carolina to make sure that we were delivering the same quality services to our customers that they've always expected from us.
We've ranged anywhere from working on turbine engines. We've also been involved with working on transmissions and gearboxes for the marine systems, which are down in Mobile, Alabama. So we cover everything: medical, marine, avionics, general machining, woodworking, anything that's involved with any type of machinery that is either controlled or manually operated.
It's our mission to increase machine productivity, uptime for our customers, and by creating this location, we're able to do that. We're able to respond faster and increase machine reliability.
Our pride is that when we leave the job, it's complete. We didn't need to sub anything out. We didn't need to send anything anywhere else. The customer makes one phone call and they're back up and running again.